In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M15 and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. You need to start by opening Settings and scrolling to click on this section called Security and Privacy. Now scroll all the way down to tap on More Privacy Settings. And then scroll one more time, this time to finally click on Permission Manager. Then pick one of those options you wanna manage. Let's go with Camera. When you access one of your features, you will see all of those sections and under them your apps. In case of camera, it's allowed all the time, allowed only while in use, ask every time, or not allowed. Let's click on Chrome under Not Allowed. Now you can apply any of those options by clicking on the best one. In this case, camera access for this app, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I want to pick this one, so when I tap and go back, I can instead Chrome gained access to my camera while I'm using my browser. But you can always pick any feature just to select an app you wanna manage instead. Like I will click on Contacts just to manage my Facebook. Now instead of applying any of those options, click on See All Permissions here and manage all of them only for a chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!